Ja, ja,
ja kumbobola.
Ja, ja,
ja kumbobola.
Ja, ja,
tomba bongo.
Mufinga mfundi. Sungulukata kumambende. Oni samuja, otube, otukala. Ambe sungulukata kumambende. Oni muja, otukala. Watabari
naela kokele.
Walamba mwamba lamba ntoba.
Feba.
Watombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba suwe.
Feba.
Na tombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Tomolotonda bundiri mwamba o. Ni ayo kela kanti ni ayo kela. Yo kele kanti ni ayo kela.
Ni ayo kela kanti ni ayo kela. Yo kele kanti ni ayo kele.
Sadila ntangu mufonda nsatunge mwana bak ntangu ifueni katula mpwinya ja nsungma desiberi gana ni yembiri kyao na ni yembiri yao kumaina makumalonde kuluyete kuluyema ni kulufonda mwana fonda o. Na lamba mwamba lamba ntoba.
Feba.
Na tombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba super.
Feba.
Na tombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Tomolotonda bundiri mwamba o. Di mwana bakala katula mpwinya te ya tomba mbongo yaye. Etiadi yaye. Attack. Deba. Pula. Reke. Ni ayo kela kanti ni ayo kela. Yo kele kanti ni ayo kela.
Ni ayo kela kanti ni ayo kela. Yo kele kanti ni ayo kele.
Sadila ntangu watiri ntweni yange mwana bakala bala bandumba bakwe kulombe mbongo. Sadila ntangu ifweni nge mwana bakala tomba mbongo bala bandumba na mwabilesi bakwe kulombe mbongo. Sadila ntangu nge mwana bakala nsunguma desiberi gana ni yembiri kyao na yembiri yao nge mwana bakala fumbuka kutolo wa tomba mbongo nge lamba mwamba lamba ntoba.
Feba.
Na tombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe.
Feba.
Na tombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Munsongi. Ambe nsonge la njila inilanda. Munsongi.
Songe la njila.
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 Chimao chinjenda. Chimao chinazakala kulongo. Rana bandu butabachikana kutela. Samu moshukwa unkwamisa. Niwa mabuta. Kabu njisansa bala. Choma mbukwamba kiri. Heka kulukwa shitaka kudema kako.
Mwanangele kwa mye. Sima unwini mbenga. Alababu bobo. Alababu bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo.
Munsongi,
Songelanjila,
Munsongi,
Songelanjila,
Munsongi,
Songelanjila,
Munsongi,
Songelanjila,
Munsongi,
Songelanjila,
Munsongi,
Songelanjila,
Munsongi,
Songelanjila.
Chimao chinjenda, Chimao chinazakala kulongo, Nkumbu shitani yaita tumansangu munzo, Kani mwana mamba bambakila mbakiri mambu, Kani bala bandonga kwa bansukurila mbakiri mambu. Eka, ni bala ni kipo, ni longo ni biko, ni bakala ni lando.
Mwangele kwanye, Simangwi ni mwika. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Mwangele kwanye, Simangwi ni mwika. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo.
Najika, nayebesa, nalwika, kabuta bako. Kanilumbu, nsalambanza. Munsongi,
Songelanjila,
Munsongi,
Songelanjila,
Munsongi,
Songelanjila,
Munsongi,
Songelanjila,
Munsongi,
Songelanjila,
Munsongi,
Songelanjila,
Munsongi,
Songelanjila. Mwangele kwanye, Simangwi menga. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Mwangele kwanye, Simangwi menga. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Mwangele kwanye, Simangwi menga. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo. Balabaku bobo.
Mama ngana nzila mama lemba nakota kwani kusangi mama lemba kusangi nikota njecha musu nibala bangu ni mama lemba nabala malombo ni kwetombe nabala bimpompolo mama lemba mboko gana banda gana gete kocha mama lemba ni gana nitekela mwa mamba nchi wala nitomba mama lemba nje na lamba mwana yake chamuzuna zoza yumanje nina lamba mwana yake mboko na balaba malombo ni kwetombe na mwamfungu ni kwetombe kana teko gana nchiwe gana wala mama lembe mama ngana nzila tolokolo yako mama lembe Chiwala Nzadi diambu kayele menena ande kusomamba diambu dikaye menena ande kusomamba ni diambu jantoto ubungu ntoto wega ande kusomamba we na chototo na lubutu diambu ni dio kaye menena ande kusomamba mamba menana dzunu cho nicho chigana kalamu kubantu unwa mamba dzunu chantima chikotele nkelo wo ulutawa utakelo muka chena teko cha malemba chekumbamu teko china che bonso kento mukento ebuta zolota ni mwanto fiafiechi mboko nkelo wa malemba. C'est une petite source qui étanche la soif des bêtes et des hommes. Talatin kelo wa malemba iwo ugana kadzunu kubishimba mu ekabo beto bansoni titaba mori antiwo wanla wayemene na gande ko sonkelo ni wagana mbutu jina ni jina jisansa kama kanda manka makulu momega na chibelo china Amama bonisa kwani mama sala sala salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala salamu aja amama bonisa kwani mama sala sala salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala salamu aja. L'arbre sacré de Tata Malanda Mapuruakoma qu'il donnait aux sorciers n'a pas pu finir le kundu. Mumpamba wondele bantu. Est-ce que beto kundu ritatu kwa misa? Yachi ka kundu ako. Bisalu doneno sari taboke sa. Yachi sala kwa tutatombe ngachi tanunga. Ambe salu chitukule. Amama bonisa kwani mama sala sala. Salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala. Salamu aja amama bonisa kwani mama sala sala. Salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala. Salamu aja mti wankasa walemba kana mumanisa kundu mpandu kampandu shiyokele hakundu ninchi ni muntu wo kwenda kundu mayela mama bote ambaka mpandu nambe mpandu ni muntu wo misigi mora masamba amama bonisa kwani mama sala sala. Salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala. Salamu aja amama bonisa kwani mama sala sala. Salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena watu sala sala. Salamu aja ritata yekwa Kongo jatangulu jata Kongo jatangulu jata Kongo jatangulu jata Kongo jatangulu jata pota 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 sabulungelangela pota 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 sabulungelangela pota 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 sabulungelangela mama bale Mamdode Wakasa Wakase Bina Bongo chi Bombo jata ngulu jata Bombo jata ngulu jata Bombo jata ngulu jata Bombo jata ngulu jata Kulukutu mama nsunga kudia kulumvwa mama nsunga kudia
Kulukutu mama nsunga kudia kulumvwa mama nsunga kudia Kulukutu mama nsunga kudia kulumvwa mama nsunga kudia
Kutubele beto kubatubula bantu meso oh
Kutubele beto kubatubula bantu meso oh Kutubele beto kubatubula bantu meso oh Ngengele ya mabwidia Ngengele ya mabwidia
Bakala wa ijiri
Ngengele ya mabwidia
Bakala wa ijiri
Ngengele ya mabwidia
Lukolele mwat
Ngengele lukolele kweto ya
Lukolele mwat
Ngengele lukolele kweto ya Ngengele ya mabwidia Ngengele ya mabwidia
Ngenge ya mabwiria Ngenge ya mabwiria Ntangu ifweni bakala wishiri Ntangu ifweni ngoma jibieta ne kunagata Beto bansoni toka munsai Mwa bakala wishiri Kange ufiri toko chitoko landie Amenge ufiri toko ba munsai
Ngengele ya mabwiria Ngengele ya mabwiria Ngengele ya mabwiria
Bakala wa ijiri
Ngengele ya mabwiria
Bakala wa ijiri
Ngengele ya mabwiria
Lukolele mwatu
Ngengele lukolele kweto ya
Kinini mpangala Kulelele mpangala Tata Michelle waenda ntandu Tata Michelle wishiri Ntangu ifweni Yandi waenda ntandu Abuame nchika neti Abuame na bile kwa bishiri nandi Nambongo kayesala Betumanso nitu kamunsai Bakento kange nolele Chinamuna chine Eka bakento kwa Luyamba zale chine no
Ngengele ya mabwidia 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 Ngengele ya mabwidia
Bakala wa ijiri
Ngengele ya mabwidia
Lukolele mwatu
Ngengele tukolele kweto ya
Ngana nzila mama lemba nakota kwani kusangi mama lemba Kusangi nikota njecha muzuni bala bankuni mama lemba Nabala malombo ni kwetombe nabala bimpompolo mama lemba. Mboko gana banda gana yete kocha mama lemba ni gana nitekela mwa mamba. Ichi wala 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 wala.
Wamena Andiko mama Ueni
Kunini tomba mama lemba nje ninalamba mwana yake. Chamuzuna zoza yumanje ninalamba mwana yake. Mboko nabala malombo ni kwetombe na mwamfumbu ni kwetombe. Gana teko gana chuwe gana wala wala mama lembe. Amama ngana njila tolokolo diaku mama lembe.
Wamena Andiko mama Ueni
Chiwala Nsadiambu kayelemena ndeko somamba. Diambu dikayelemena ndeko somamba. Ni diambu diantoto. Mukungu ntoto wega ndeko somamba wena chototo na lukutu. Diambu ni joka yemenena ndeko somamba. Mamba menana tunu. Tunu cho ni cho chigana kalamu kubatu. Unwa mamba zunu chanchima chipotele. Nkelo wa utakelo moka. Chena teko cha malemba che kumbamu. Teko china che boson kento. Mukento ebuta zolota. Ni mwanto fiafiechi. Boko Nkelo wa malemba. Nkelo wa utakelo moka. Wa malemba. C'est une petite source qui étanche la soif des bêtes et des hommes. Talachinkelo wa malemba ni ougana kazunu kubishimbamu. Kabo beto bansoni chitaba moria nchiwo wala wayemene na andeko sonkelo ni wagana mbutu. Mbutu jina ni jina jisansa kamakanda manka makulu momega na tibelo china. Nous allons accueillir la légende Georges Brassens dans l'Auvergnat. Ah, tout le monde comme ça.
Ndumba mushenza samuka njiwa yakangwana kani mushikanda kani nebuna pamubashi ndumba mushenza samuka njiwa yakangwana kani mushikanda kani.
Toi cette chanson, toi l'Auvergnat qui sans façon m'a donné 4 coups de bois Quand dans ma vie il faisait froid, toi qui m'as donné du feu quand les coquins, tous et les croquants, tous les gens bien intentionnés m'avaient fermé la porte au nez.
Ame tulikuachia twamekeke yani toto naona lungira yati lolu kumate kwa ukumu memame lolu kuminaka titsai.
Toi l'ouvert tu mourras, quand les croque-morts t'emportera, qu'il à travers ciel, ô Père éternel, elle est à toi cette chanson, toi l'hôtesse qui sans façon m'a donné 4 bouts de bois, quand dans ma vie il faisait faim, toi qui m'ouvris quand les croquantes et les croquants, tous les gens s'amusaient à me voir jeûner.
Tulikuachia twamekeke naona lungira yati mate kwa ukumu memame janeti takatiza ngolo.
Toi l'hôtesse quand tu mourras, quand les croque-morts t'emportera, qu'ils te conduisent à travers ciel, ô Père éternel. Elle est à toi cette chanson, toi l'étranger qui sans façon, d'un air malheureux m'a souri, lorsque les gendarmes m'ont pris, toi qui n'as pas applaudi, les croquantes et les croquants, tous les gens bien intentionnés riaient de me voir emmener.
Ame tulikuachia twamekeke yani toto naona lungira yati lolu kumate kwa ukumu memame janeti mwini ngolo.
Toi l'étranger quand tu mourras, quand les corps morts t'emportera, qu'ils te conduisent à travers ciel, ô Père éternel. Dona wela mamba, doma firikoto, don chikata salao, don mutuzani kataja, dona wasazo, don Maria ya mama, samukura fila.
Kiambute, Tata David.
Kiambute.
Oh, thanks for making it. How is my mic? Is it? Can you hear me?
Yeah, a little muddy, but I can hear you. Let me try to turn up the volume a little bit here too.
Is it better now?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Tata David. I didn't know that it was Mother's Day today in US. Okay.
Yeah, so that may be the issue with attendance today.
Yeah. Tata and said I couldn't come, and all of them, yes. He couldn't come. Tutu, Nele, Tata David. Have you got your paper? Let me just try to greet the audience. Hello, if you're watching, we thank you very much. We thank you. You are welcome to our class online, Kikongo class. Sorry, we are late today. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, the DRC, and Congo, the Republic of Congo. I mean, Congo Kinshasa and Congo Brazzaville. Tutondele. You got your paper that, David? You got a test today? A test. Exercise. No.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Let me try to share my screen. 1 minute. Not the test. Where is it? It's here, yes. Make it bigger. Can you see my screen, David?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we won't take long. Time is gone anyway.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, it's too bad we're off to such a late start today.
Yeah. Basically, we're going to try to practice what we've learned so far. I mean, basically, the main thing is, if I say main thing, I mean, in terms of possessive, remember, these are Ame, Aku, Andi, the 6.
Mhm.
Yeah. I just want to make sure that we mastered it. We're comfortable with this. So here we're going to try to. The exercise is based on that. Yes.
Mhm.
We are okay. First, using emphatic pronouns.
Okay, just a moment.
Yes. Take your time to live it.
Just trying to gather up my notes here.
Yeah. Good student, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Ame, Aku, Andi, Eto, Eno,
And
Au. Yes. Yes. Eto, Eno, Au. So when it comes to emphatic, I mean, I can't use my pointer, so this is a PDF file. We're using personal pronoun, but I don't know if I should call it irregular form, but anyway, you get it. You understand what I'm trying to say?
Mhm.
Mono, ngeye, yandi. Mono, these are personal pronoun. Yeah.
Mhm.
Remember, itakwenda, utakwenda, those are same thing, pronouns, personal pronouns. But in this particular case, we're going to use mono, ngeye, yandi. Then first plural. The funny thing, it is static, stable. When it comes to plural, there's no change. Yeah.
Hmm.
To, you, mono, ngeye, yandi, yeto, yeno, yao. Yes. But in this case, yeno, yao, yeto, yeno, yao, it becomes they become pronoun, personal pronoun instead of possessive. Yes.
Mhm.
I mean, yeah.
Now we have several different forms of the personal pronoun. It seems to me. When do we use yina and when do we use mono?
Yes, good question. When in this case, this is a good example. We are going to try. I'm going to say, it's really me. We're using your kwame, kwaku. Yes.
Mhm.
How would you say it? Really me using mono as a first person.
Okay.
Remember, instance, kwame, kwaku, kwandi. Yes.
Yeah. Then I think I would
First,
say
your pronoun first. Your pronoun first. Yes.
right. Mono kwame mono.
Yeah, just no, that's fine. Mono Kwame. Bravo, yes. Mono Kwame.
So I wouldn't have to repeat mono again, just mono kwame. It's
Bravo,
truly
yeah.
me.
Mono Kwame, yes,
Mhm.
yes. Mono Kwame, yes. I remember we used to sing a song, hymn. There was a hymn, yes. When I was a kid, my dad used to sing Mono Kwame Singa Vinyo. It's really me talking about John 14. I'm a vine. Jesus said vine. I don't remember. Is it true? Okay. 15, I
Right,
think. Yeah.
right. I am the true vine.
Yes. I still remember I was 10, yeah. Mono Kwame. I mean, truly, yeah, it really means the Lord, yes. Mono Kwame. That's why I got my hymn book, very old one. Keeping my hymn book, Kikongo hymn books. Yeah, they're very important. Apart from the Kikongo Bible, yes. Mono Kwame. It's really you, Tata David, over to you.
Mhm.
You have a second there? Is it?
Yeah, you would say Andy Kwame.
You got your first go please for your pronoun.
Right.
You it's really you. Ngeye,
Yeah. Aku Kwame.
Ngeye, the second person.
Use the form Ngeye. Okay. Ngeye Kwame.
Ngeye Kwaku. Kwame is your first person.
Oh, okay, that's right.
Ngeye Kwaku.
Ngeye Kwaku.
Yes.
Okay.
It's really him. Yandi.
Yandi,
yeah, your first.
Kwandi.
Kwandi, yeah, bravo. Wandi Kwandi, yes. Let's go. Mono Kwame, yeah. Ngeye Kwaku. Yandi Kwandi. The thing is, this is a good Kikongo grammar we're studying, but people on the road, they don't, few people speak proper. Everywhere you go in the world, same thing, yes. They know what they're talking about, but in terms of grammar, not necessarily correct when they're talking to each other in Kikongo, yeah. Mono Kwame, Ngeye Kwaku, Yandi Kwandi. Okay, now we go for first plural. Yeto.
Yeno and Yau.
Yeah, go. Okay, now use your insistence because in this case we're using yeto as a personal pronoun, plural. Yeto, yeno, but you need to add your insistence after that. Yeto, cueto.
Yeto cueto.
Then second plural, yeno,
Queno.
Yes, the answer is there. Yeah. Yes. Yau kwau. Yes.
Yau kwau.
Yeah. That's why I keep saying that we should focus just, little but mastered. Yes, because Kikongo is not easy to learn. Yes. Remember, by the way, Tata David, what is your take on that? I did send you the message. Well, that was one of the advisors explaining to me how to say in the past simple, how do you conjugate the verb to be? Remember, I sent you.
Yeah. I didn't. I'm sorry, I didn't see your response, but I'll look for that.
Yeah, I did send you the forward about that. You read it, but it's hard to explain. Yes, Tata Kwasi is not here. Question on this, Tata David.
No.
I just want to make it easy. Oh, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you. Using emphatic pronoun, it's really me. Mono Kwame. Ngeye Kwaku. Yandi Kwandi. Yeto Cueto. When it comes to plural, very easy. Just repeating itself. Yeto Cueto, Yeno Cueno, Yau Kwao. Okay, I'm not going at all. That's David.
Let's see. I would say
Ki, your double negative ki. Yeah, you first with
Yes.
ki.
Yeah.
Kwenda is to go. Kwenda is a
Right.
verb. Ki.
Yep. Kikwame kwenda.
Your emphatic goes after the verb.
Oh,
Kikwenda.
Kikwenda kwame.
Kikwenda kwame is negative, missing one finger then.
Oh, Kikwenda. Yes. Kikwenda kwame ko.
Thank you very much. This is a must. Yes. Kiko. Yeah. Kikwenda kwame ko. Titondele. Okay. I can't go at all. Now we're adding. We're adding Lendi. Yes. I can't go at all. Yeah.
Kilendi kwame ko.
Kilendi kwenda.
Kilendi kwenda kwame ko.
Bravo. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Well done. I'm just trying to recap. It really me emphatic monokwame.
Monokwame.
You ngeye kwaku, him, her, yandi kwandi, plural, yeto kweto, yeno kweno, yao kwao. Tutondele. I'm not going. Okay, I'm not coming to quiz. I'm not coming.
Kilendi kwizako.
Kilendi kwizako. Yeah, that's good when you use it can't.
Or
Yeah.
Kilendi kwiza kwameko.
Bravo. Yeah, can't come at all. Yeah, well done. Yes. Okay, number 2, using possessive. Remember the key word here. The key sentence is depend on the object on. Yes.
Okay.
We're using ame, aku. These are suffixes, but your prefix is the first letter of your object, except in terms the special exceptions. The exceptions. Disa use the first 2 letters. Disa, yeah. Disa use it di. Yes. My cone. Ame means yours. Yes.
Right.
First your object, then your suffix.
Let's see. Disa ame.
Disa diame, yes. Disa diame, yes.
Right. The GA.
Disa diame.
Right. You take those first 2 letters and add them to
Yes.
your personal pronoun. Okay.
Yeah, your ame, aku, your.
I see. Right. Disa diame.
Yeah. This is the exception. Normally, the rule is you take the first letter, but Disa will take the first 2 letters, yes.
So my money would be Zimbu Ziame.
Zame, yeah. You don't take I.
Okay.
I, yeah, yes.
So Zimbu Zame.
Yeah, Zimbu Zame,
Okay.
yes. Mambu.
Mambu Mame.
Yeah, correct, yeah. You take the first letter, of course, to the coincidence as a Kima.
And that would be Kima Kiame.
Bravo. Dinu, yes.
Dinu Diame.
Yes. Meno.
Would be Meno Miami.
Mame.
Forget that. Okay.
It wouldn't be wrong if we say that in Miami because the variant. We depend on variant, but anyway, it's correct.
And so Moko would be Mwame.
Moko Mame. Just take M, yeah. Moko Mame.
Okay.
Tutonde. Okay, just you and me. We are going to. This is a small talk, Dr. David.
Yeah.
I'm sure you got your paper with you. Kikongo, of course. Hello. It's in English, but we need to talk in Kikongo. Kiambo tetata. Kiambo teta. Yes.
Right, and so I would say Kiambo tetata back to you, but what if Madam were here?
Yeah, Nengwa, yes. Kiambo te Nengwa, yes.
Oh, that's right. It's Nengwa. Right.
Yeah, Kiambo te Nengwa, yes. Can you ask me a question, Kikongo? Where are you coming from? I think you need to check your paper.
Let's see.
Yes. Remember the clue is kwe. The first word. I mean, kwe is where. Kwe, where? Yeah. Then if you check your letter.
Yeah. Let's see.
Your first. You asking me? I'm a second plural single, of course.
Okay.
We're going for ita, uta. I'm uta.
And
I'm uta. Yes.
right.
Kwe,
So
kwe.
for you, let's see, it would be
The first word is kwe. Yeah, kwe.
yeah, kwe kwe tuka tata.
Yeah, let's go. Well done. Let us just stick to the rule. Kwe uta tuka. Remember second plural, person pronoun.
Oh, that's right. The uta.
Yeah.
Kwe uta tuka
Well done, yeah.
tata mpanzu.
Okay. Kumbanza Congo Itatuka. Well done. Yeah. Any question? You understand the
No, I see the pattern now. Yes.
Yeah. Go to Kwe is where? Kwe. Okay. Just keep it Kwe.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Keep asking me questions. Tata. Where do you live? You can check
Okay.
on paper.
Let me think here.
Kwe is your where? Kwe.
Mhm. Right. Yeah, I can't think of a verb for to live.
Zinga. Sorry. Zinga.
Zinga?
Zinga.
Okay. Kwe uta zinga tata mpanzu.
Oh, well done, not bad. Kwe uzinganga. We're going for present tense, yeah? Kwe uzinganga, yes. Well done, kwe uzinga. Kukwilu futa izinganga. So, in this case, ku, because the location, then your object first. Kukwilu futa izinganga. Okay, now we're saying bye to each other. Yeah? Go well, you say.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I would just say
Go well.
Sala Kiambote.
Yeah, okay. You said to Gambo, that's fine. Okay, you could have said when the Gambo, the same thing. Yeah, okay.
Right.
Yeah, that's good. That's it. Thank you very much. I think we should stop there just to make it easy because next time we're going back to this lesson. Okay. At least we done something today. Let me try to check my. Well, any questions? Questions?
No, not on the drill that we just did. No, thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, to Pandele.
Okay, when the Gambote. See you next Sunday.
Sala Kiambote.
Bye.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongele meso mwene isibudi matu umwidi ikonzo dienu Keno luvo vangabo kongo jafwa Keno luvo vangabo kongo jafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala ku bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mikasi kongo jatungwa Vangabo Congo Jafwa, Keno Luvo Vangabo Congo Jafwa, Bizatala Kwenwe, Eyala Mpuru, Bizatala Kwenwe, Ekulungi Mikansi Congo Jatumba.
Pipa narra uma história que tá gravando na minha memória. África foi sempre linda, o nosso berço da humanidade. Havia muito renado, havia muita felicidade. Vivíamos dentro da lei, falo do reino do Congo, Ninha Lukeni era o rei. Habitava em Banza Congo, em companhia do outro rei. Pode chamar de Endodila, se esquecendo uma máquina pra vida. Nos chama de Yalangu, carrego o Culumbimbi, essa imagem me identifica. Banza Congo, a minha terra, a minha mãe, o meu coração. Olha que nos fala mal, peço liberta da maldição. Origem de todos para Congo, como diz o velho ditado, do malogrado de talento. Eu irei devoltar, mas a questão ainda é esperar. Eu sou filho do Quimba, falo do Mwanza até Ebela. Olhos que vendem aqui Congo, Quentava na tenda Congo, Lovana Sanda, o Mono Infwanda. Luísa em Panguizeto, eu tô onso, Catugue Congo. Tala
vangavo Kongo diafwa Keno luvo vangavo Kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Kekulungi bikansi Kongo diatungwa Keno luvo vangavo Kongo diafwa Keno luvo vangavo Kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Kekulungi bikansi Kongo diatungwa.
Sou tipo Sócrates, tudo que vou fazer hoje ficará marcado na memória. Se o jogo já está no fim, agora chega, vou buscar vitória. Kimavunga é minha terra, banda sagrada pra todo mundo. Para o vosso consciente, cortei a corrente, voltei bem quente e diferente. Instalei um circuito fechado, muitos tentaram, lhes deu errado. Como diz o velho ditado, a Congo não falha, mas sim atrasa. Tata, moana, eu sou pai, então não se engana. Se o poder não se dá, a cultura banto não se esquece. Terra do mano em Totila, quem conhece Nini e Alugeni. Ou melhor, Zinganguvu, Mama Kimpavita. Terra dos assimilados, Afonso I, Simão Kimbangu, Fulumbinga Lando Vitor, Antônio Dembo, Tetelando Tabessa Manguana. Terra de Makuta Nkondo, Yaniki Ngomba e Tatangana. Onde fica mercado do Luvo, Columbimbi e o Yalanku. Pedra do Fitiço e também a ponta do padrão. Os falos de Mbanta Congo, patrimônio mundial da cultura. General sem passadores. Mapuntuala, Tata Manila Massanda. Moana Cassanda de Mbau, Kimafundo, uasa.
Keno luvo vangavo Kongo diafwa Keno luvo vangavo Kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe